your fucking nightmare. Can't wake up and sweat, cause it ain't over yet. Still dancing with your demons. Victim of your own creation. Beyond the will to fight, where all that's wrong is right. Where hate don't need a reason. No need self-assassination. You've been lied to just to rape you of your side, and now they have the nerve to tell you how to feel. So sedated as they medicate your brain, and while you slowly go insane, they tell you living with the best intentions of the with no complication. You should have known the price of evil, and needed to know that you belong here. No one to call, everybody to feel. Your tragic fate is looking so clear. Ooh, it's your fucking nightmare. Fight, not to fail, not to fall, or you'll end up like the others. Die again, drenched in sand, with no respect for another. Down, feel the fire, feel the hate. Your pain is what we desire. Lost, hit the wall, watch you crawl. Such a replaceable liar. And I know you hear their voices. And I know they may seem real, but our lives made up of choices. They took for granted your soul, and it's ours now to steal. As your nightmare comes to life, you should have known the price of evil, and needed to know that you belong here. No one to call, everybody to feel. Your tragic fate is looking so clear. It's your fucking nightmare.